there! Did you know that 95% of long and short haul trucking companies in the United States spend over $10,000 in monthly ticket processing costs? Hi, I'm Margot from Docsumo, and in this video, we're going to discover how Document AI can automate data capture from dispatch tickets, helping operations and IT teams save that extra capital. Docsumo's Document AI is dedicated to enabling transportation and warehouse operations teams to streamline their data extraction and payment process at lightning speed. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see how dispatch ticket processing is simplified. To process dispatch tickets, you need to create your custom document type. We'll name it dispatch tickets, and we'll start by uploading some of these sample documents so that we can train the machine learning model on the dataset. Operations teams spend 15 to 20 minutes downloading and capturing relevant information from a single dispatch ticket, refining the data with manual data entry errors, and updating it on their TMS or spreadsheets takes another 10 to 15 minutes. To set up the dispatch ticket API, you will need to set up the fields that you want to track on these tickets. So, for example, the key values that I want to analyze are supplier details, plant details, date of pickup, net weight, truck number, and ticket number. Once I add them, I just have to select Save and Extract. The AI-powered OCR engine will now process the selected data fields from your sample set in just a few seconds so that you can validate the data captured. Next, the review screen is split into two sections. On the right, you'll see your dispatch ticket document, and on the left, you will see all of the data that the solution has captured. Now, as you can see, our Document AI solution has already captured most of the information accurately based on its corresponding confidence scores on the key values set. Your team just needs to quickly check and adjust any of the fields that the solution might have missed. Remember, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Soon, you're going to barely need to make any adjustments at all. One of our trucking customers shared how their driver partners had to wait days, sometimes weeks, to get paid for their shipping services. Why? Because the operations team spent a ton of time manually inputting the data from the tickets. This puts the brakes on the business. But don't worry, that's exactly what we aim to fix for you. Now that you have set up the model, you can streamline things even further by setting up automatic email ingestion. Click the Upload button at the top right of your screen, select the Upload Files option, choose Auto Import Documents via email, and then you're all set. You will see that all the documents uploaded via email have been ingested into Docsumo and are ready for my review. So after I review all of these documents, I can export this processed data in an Excel file and then store it in my system. Additionally, instead of exporting these into multiple spreadsheets, I can use Zapier integration to export all of this into a single spreadsheet for dispatch tickets. I need to create a Zapier workflow and then sync it to my Docsumo profile and spreadsheet. So to do this, I need to map the specific key fields from the dispatch ticket API to the columns in my spreadsheet. Once the dispatch ticket document status changes to processed, my Zap will be triggered to create a new row in the spreadsheet with the extracted data. With Docsumo's Document AI, instead of spending hours on data entry, your operations team will only need to dedicate about 10% of their time to reviewing the captured data. Our OCR solution does the heavy lifting, handling literally 90% of the work. NS Trucking, which is one of our customers from Florida in the United States, is the aggregate hauling business, and it saves over 1,600 hours for its operations team every single month. But it gets even better. They've also slashed their document processing expenses by 50% with 94% straight through processing. Now imagine what all of your operations teams could do with the time that you saved for them. I hope that this was insightful. I am super eager to see how Docsumo can transform your logistics operations. Go ahead and click the description to book a free demo with our team, and we will show you exactly how our platform can work for your niche use cases. Don't let manual data entry hold your business back any longer. Take the first step towards smoother, faster, and more accurate operations today. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see how Docsumo transforms your business.